Hey guys, back again. Wanted to give you an update on what I've got going on with the 55 today. Been doing a whole lot of welding and some grinding. The grinding's always the worst. But I'll show you what I got so far. I got a little bit of footage of some welding it in and some of shaping the door out a little bit this morning. In the video of the work, you'll see that I look like I'm moving my left hand some. I've actually got an air blower in my hand. I'll weld a little bit, take an air blower to cool it, to keep down the warpage on the metal. Turned out pretty good. All right, guys, here's what I got. So we've got it welded solid all the way down through here. Panels I put in the other day, welded solid. I've got some of it ground out. Still has to have some more grinding on it, but it's not too shabby. Panel, if you can see it, is still good and straight. There's a few little spots that I'll have to hammer and dolly out, one of them being right here. The car's had some work right here once before, and I don't know if it was me welding that's caused this. This is a little bit of a high spot, or if it was something to do with whatever work has went on in the car here before I got hold of it. But other than that, it's turning out pretty good. A few patch holes I've got to touch up. So I also welded down the door seam, ground some of it back out. This is kind of the rough cut of it. I am going to have to touch a few spots up going down through here, and then grind some more out, and there's still a lot more grinding. On my door frame here, I've got it welded down through here, the post that I put in. I'm going to have to probably run another little bead of weld down through here to shape it back out. Worked on the body line some. Looking pretty good. They've got to be opened up a little bit more and straightened up. It's a little bit wobbly up through there. It's kind of a rough cut with grinding. But other than that, I'm pleased with it. I was going to mention in some of these videos, your holes here, guys, if you have to weld up holes, if you've ever welded them up and tried to chase that hole around, it's a little bit tough. Little trick I learned a while back is take a piece of copper. You can take a piece of copper water line, scrap piece, or any kind of copper that you can find. Take that water line, take a hammer, smash it together. So the trick with the copper, take it on the inside of wherever your hole is, where my finger's right there, lay your copper in there, then weld your hole up, and that way you're not chasing around the hole and it won't stick to the copper, and then you'll be flat on the other side. Just a little trick I learned, works pretty good. Reach you a piece of copper in there and tack your hose up. that's what we got so far. Guys, I'm gonna try to put this video together. I know it's not a lot of change from the last video we done, but we'll take and put some of the work footage and show you what I got going on right here, and back to grinding some more. A lot of grinding. It's probably the worst part of any kind of fabrication, but so once I get it ground out, I'll do you another video, show you. Once I get it where I like it, we're going to go to the inside of the door, and we'll start putting our bracing in here and getting that all back in. See what we come up with. All right, guys, till next time, like, subscribe, comment, talk to me, holler at me. I'll answer any questions, good or bad. See you guys. Bye.